6 ne to sinyitithania ndeto icio
cia ndawa cia kulevya rikuratuika atiriri he mutumia umirite na ndeto ingi cirakumakania araiga ati ni mohetwo na nduta kuria Ghana we akirekio ni undu wa ungumania nduta ni atindikire miaka ena ku koguo tiri mbere ati nduta kunyitwo ni undu wa ndawa cia kulevya taigue araiga atiriri na ni kwandika arandikire karatathi I know Magi Duteta
Magi Dutani ne demwe.
And we were together in Ghana.
Twari hamwe nake bururi-ini wa Ghana.
After we left, they continued to track us to our homes.
Wona hederia twatiganire ri no mathire na mbere guturumirira nginya gwitu mucii.
Please, she is telling the truth.
Oi, tamenyai dutarariama.
The Nigerians said they would kill our children and everyone we love if we refuse to carry drugs again.
Ado ya Nigeria matwirire atiriri kana maugire atiriri ni mekuraga nginya ciana citu kana mundu wothe twendete twarega gukua ndawa ici cia kulevya
tungikaga gukua ringi koguo ni makwiteria mbere guciria Please do not let her be executed.
Woi mutigetekere dutoragwo.
She is telling the truth.
Arariama.
The Nigerians never let anyone go.
Ado Nigeria mwana nyita na biacara-ini ino matige kurekia tarugama huani ni Njoroge. Family ya Dutanira reganire na miari ino wa mbere.
Ni tugoco reke turekia we raiga coka igwe family ire raigire when she and Duta were arrested in Ghana.
Hindi ria mwiritu uyu muheani wa ndeto ici manyitirwo na Duta megana.
Duta was sentenced to about 4 years.
Duta ni otwirirwo kiho kia miaka 4.
While this woman was acquitted because the police handling her case were corrupt.
Na kiocho mwandikirwo randika ri akirekio tondu borithi aria matindikanaga na ciro cio ri ni andi mahaki.
Haya ruge gicoka ru family yao. Family raiga atiriri Duta ndari ho Ghana na ndari ima Kenya before.
Ona ndoi Ghana niko.
Na kuratika atiriri Duta arathiaga kuria maburi ma Asia guthi kuruta wira wa uteithia wa nyumba house help.
Aretetwo wira wa nyumba. Riu undu mwe wa hahura haha ri ni andu ya Nigeria. Ado ya Nigeria ni oru
muno
na nie ndimonaga kwanja hari arwa kangaigwa ndethi mukwo
magicemania muyetu wa Kenya ni mamwiraga atia beautiful girl beautiful
girl walking
wa henderio ri akorio where are you going ukakimwira I'm going to work you walk to work ru hado akuga work mega you walk akimwira yes I'm walking and you have a boyfriend you have a husband
amumu.
Your husband is a mumu.
He's a mumu.
How can you be walking? You should be doing shopping.
Yeah, you are married to poverty.
No. Kenito kaituka kahendererio.
Gakoyana na mundu ucio.
Gagacoka gakaingirio giterenge-ini kiuga kero ru waingira raini ni rori. Kumbe mabaga kumenya nginya distance relatives.
Makamenya andu a muiritu uyu, brothers, sisters, nyina, ithe, cousin, andu othe a muiritu ucio mamenywo ri.
Na kerwo
gaka neyo ndawa gakuwe kare gari andu makajia kufuato andu ni mathuthurio na meherio guku
taigua
Nigerians aya
taigua drigwa maratika atiriri she was forced due to the threats against her family uyo raiga atiriri Dutari commenting on Duta's case
akiaria cia Duta ri
uyo mwandiki wa rugano ruru uyo wetagwo Father Waterspoon no thia gucerera andu menjera araiga atiriri on both occasions going to Ghana and to Vietnam she was forced koguo ni Father araiga ni
Duta ndathire Ghana kana agithie Vietnam ni kwenda kwa ngoro yake
ni gufocwo
tondu ona ni arutagirwo mikana nginya kuri family
koguo Duta ni ariathie Ghana na akohomia kegena
no family yake ni rarega
no uyo Father araiga marari nake irajera
muritu uyu riu na araubora
uyu agithia gucerera andu
na arabu ri arauga atiri ndekire uguo ni kwenda acha ti mwendia wa ndawa cia kulevya ni gufucwo no ona andu ya Nigeria tiega
tukora twirore
wamenyana na mu Nigeria mama kwaje inywe iretu agikuyu inywe
my god they are tall dark and handsome
inywe de muona muge katena ma Nigerians guko inywe makemwetaga Airbnb maikaraga
na
mebia take matida nyumba mendithi inywe
jiguaga nyumba cia itiagaga wifi itiagaga kanywaji na itiagaga maundu ma airetu magenda shisha na maundu macio manene
wira wao ni gutumana no atonya mtoto tumago tukare heirio nyumba
tigo tugweta tondu ni matire heire
andu acio ni mariturera hathara tari njaga guku na mokaga no moke mwe gifurati kegima
mari indo cia delivery
na no mwe gifurati kegima marihe mwaka mugima mitugo rathi ni mathuthurio andwa na ni waigua mamenyana na mwiritu mu Kenya mamba kumenya ginya andu ao othe
umona hwaini ni njuri cia ikoci cirekereirio iguru umona hwaini na tunyamu tutwa matutwitagwo atia to pods na riri na metawatia ma sweatpants na Crocs
ugachiria niwe mwene no weciria niwe mwene thika road
agigira na Crocs hwaini cikiritwo nginya na thogithi kana inyatha
gituite gitonga kimwe kinene muno mokite kukuheni iritu itu
na thimu ithatu
haya tume hau
tuthie page 7
jigwa nere matu
katabe tuthie page 7
tuthie page 3 tondu hena ndeto ciake ha Njoroge ndagitari urakuire ndagitari urekire atia
urakuire
tondu kandi ndingemurihira ndagitari waku aratigire